Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we bring you the hottest rides and most legendary machines on the road. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury SUVs at the 2026 Range Rover. If you thought Range Rover had already perfected the blend of elegance and capability, think again. This is refinement redefined. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Range Rover carries forward the brand's unmistakable silhouette, but with sharper lines, cleaner surfaces, and subtle yet powerful updates. The flush door handles, minimalist grille, and seamless lighting elements all scream sophistication. It's more aerodynamic than ever, not just for looks, but for performance and efficiency, too. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. Land Rover offers a range of powertrains for the 2026 model. The lineup includes a twin-turbocharged inline-six, a high-performance V8 for the top-tier trims, and an all-new fully electric variant that's turning heads. That version, it's estimated to deliver over 300 miles of range on a single charge and packs instant torque, making it as quick off the line as some sports sedans. Whether you prefer gasoline, hybrid, or electric, the 2026 Range Rover has you covered. Inside, this SUV takes luxury to an entirely new level. Picture this: a floating 15-inch OLED curved touchscreen, an ultra-responsive infotainment system, and an AI-powered voice assistant that learns your habits. The cabin is whisper quiet, thanks to active noise cancellation and acoustic glass, and it's packed with sustainable materials like eco-leather and responsibly sourced wood. Massaging seats, 4-zone climate control, and rear executive lounge seating make every ride feel like first class. But it's not just about comfort. This beast can still handle the off-road like a true Range Rover should, thanks to adaptive air suspension, advanced terrain response systems, and a 360-degree camera suite. The 2026 model can conquer rocks, mud, snow and name it without breaking a sweat. It's rugged underneath that luxury shell, and that's what makes it legendary. And of course, tech lovers won't be disappointed. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air updates, a head-up display, and even augmented reality navigation. There's also biometric access, meaning your fingerprint or face can unlock and start your vehicle. Talk about stepping into the future. The 2026 Range Rover isn't just a status symbol, it's a statement of innovation, performance, and timeless style. Whether you're cruising the city streets or taking the long route through the wilderness, this SUV does it all and looks good doing it. So, what do you think of the new Range Rover? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an episode of Rolling Legends. More legendary rides are coming your way, stay tuned.